My name's Meg. I'm 30 and I'm a filmmaker and a photographer. I've decided to make this summer series to try and spark a bit of creativity and remind myself why I love photography and filmmaking so much, and just to get me outside a bit more. There's been some pretty big changes in life recently. Me and Shackleton, Shackle, come here, up, good boy. Me and Shackleton have recently moved back to my parents' house in Pembrokeshire for the summer. I've been feeling I've been in a bit of a dip, to be honest. I've not been feeling very creative or inspired. So what I've decided is to get my hammock out and have a little hammock camp in the garden. The rest of the week it's supposed to rain, so I figured it's the perfect evening to get out, enjoy a bit of nature and yeah, just relax, I think. So let's go put the hammock up. There we go. And we'll do the same on this pillow over here. Okay, so we've got our straps up and now we're just going to get the sleeping bag out of the stuff sack, and then there's two carabiners attached to the ends. So what we'll do is we'll just take them and clip it to the strap in the tree. And then this one over here. And attach it. Give it a test. Alright! The hammock's up. Now we just need blankets and to get all cozy, and then let's get a fire pit going. I do have a sleeping bag upstairs, but I figure might as well be nice and cozy. There we go. Nice. Okay, so I've got a few bits here to have a little fire on the go. Good morning. First of all, don't be disappointed, I did not sleep in the hammock last night. I stayed out here until about midnight, 1 in the morning, and it started to rain and it was surprisingly cold. So I was kind of like, I feel like I've got what I need to get from this experience, and I went inside and I slept very well. And I was nice and warm. But before that happened, after it got dark, there was a very brief shower, which was actually nice because I was just all cozy and listening to the rain fall on the leaves. And then I was laying in the hammock and I looked over that way and I could just see a silhouette of an owl on this power line here, which is absolutely amazing. And then it flew off down into the field. Yeah, and then in the middle of the night, I mean, you can probably see it's a bit more windy today. The weather's turned a bit and it's quite a bit colder. Yeah, I hope you're not disappointed that I didn't stay out here the whole night, but it was a really great experience, and hopefully later on in the summer, if there's another like warm evening, a warm dry evening, then I'll definitely try this again. And I hope you enjoyed watching. There'll be another one of these videos coming up soon. I'm thinking probably maybe a coastal walk and a bit of a sea swim, or if you have any ideas, put them in the comments and help me think of ways to spend this summer creatively. I really appreciate your time and I hope you have a beautiful day.